Alright, I got down back to about 10 volts, and what I did, I put the charger straight on, and it was not heavy enough on the charger to hurt it in any way, but it was safe. So once I get these over, I keep these over 10 volts, the charger's happy. So, getting these up to 10 volts, I need to have a ballast to charge them from flat. Turn the charger off. Acting just like a battery now. Sits there all day long on 14.6 volts. It's fun watching this thing go up that quick. Okay, I think it's ready for a test. I'll test it on my Diatsu motor first. How about that? Got the Centec battery tester. I guessed it was 300 cold cranking amps, but no, it's actually 3,194 cold cranking amps. 14.7 volts, 1.39 milliohms. That's the ESR of this bank. That's a lot less than a brand new car battery, I can tell you. Just going to start with a figured starter, and it's going to be whizzing so fast I better not blow it up. This is going to be epic. I've got to find some bolts to accommodate the space to fit these in. Let's give it a test. Will it start? That is a question. Oh yeah! Look at that! We'll be high. Oh, hey, look at that! That'll be charged in no time. Epic! Who needs car batteries? Lead sulfate. Who needs it? I've got to watch the shorts. This is only a temporary test. I don't want to blow holes in my capacitors or blow electronics up. But it worked! How cool was that? Alright, next thing up, something that needs a lot of power to start. This has a big, thick, heavy flywheel, so this thing needs at least a 720 cold cranking amp minimum battery to start it, even in the cold. So an engine like this would be an ultimate test for that capacitor bank. But there you go, it starts it quite well. Because that capacitor bank will stay at 14 volts when the alternator is finished charging it, and if there's no load in it, it can be bad for the electrics and the starter motor, cranking at 14 volts all the time. So I've got to adapt those to fit my capacitor bank. And we can see how well this starts with it. This is a heavy load, so this should start okay with the capacitor bank. Alright, let's see it start this old bad boy. I think it will. Holy moly! Oh yeah! Shit! That's the battery out. Probably to crack it before it starts to drop down. Let's do a voltage check, shall we? What did we get down to doing that? This thing just cranks like a bastard. Bloody hell. We're at 11.6 volts and it got down to that slow cranking. Damn! Look at that, mate! Hey! Starts it like you wouldn't believe. It's shooting up to 14 volts already. Yep, charging the battery up. How quick is that charging? And that's just idling. Hey, it's already fully charged virtually, look at that! Already fully charged. Virtually, anyway. How good's that? Look at that. Epic. alternator. Now I should slow down at the out and it gets unloaded. Look at that. That is awesome. Hold those in there. Hold that there. Bit of a challenge this one. Hey, just fully charged. Look at that. Already fully charged. There you go. This was the ultimate test. This thing requires a lot of power to crank over. Probably it's more than this one. And more than this 4-cylinder Perkins. This old 3-cylinder has a big floor, probably about that thick. And this thing, oh yeah. If they can start this thing now, guys, this thing can start a truck. Surely it will start a truck. Because this is a pretty heavy load starting this thing. Again, cracking your starter motor at 14 volts constantly is not good for it, but if you've got a good starting engine, it shouldn't matter. Just got to be careful with the electrics, say. Because some electrics may not be used to a quick jumping up to 14 volt charge, surge on some cars. For something like this, these are good. If you've got an old buggered up diesel engine that's been neglected to buggery, you want a good kick just to initially get it to start and turn over in the cold, one of these is good. Chuck one of these in your lunchbox and go to work and trick someone in here, got some power and this will start the car, bang. So for a little thing like that, it'll be good. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.